Hi students, welcome to GPC online lecture. In this video, we are going to derive the equation for delta connection. Okay, voltage, current, and power relation in delta connection. In this delta connection, now we are going to see how the connection will be and its relation for voltage and current. Now we'll see this is the R, this is R winding. R, next one is Y, here we have Y, this is Y, next is B. Next, if you see current, that is the current in this phase is IR, but when it comes to here, that is the current value is I capital R. This is the line current. This is phase current, I small r, I capital R is line current, and the voltage here it is E capital R. Sorry, E small r is the voltage in R phase. At the same time, E capital R is the line voltage. Sorry, here the voltage is voltage we have to take between these two phases. Yes, here the voltage is ERY. Okay, and next we'll see of B. Sorry, Y. Here the current is IR. Current flowing through this line is line current is IR. The voltage in this winding is ER, that is phase voltage, and this is the same voltage going to come into picture here, that is ERY, sorry, EYB. That is between Y and B, EYB. And next is B. Here the current is IB. This is the phase current, but when it comes to line current, here it is IL. Then here the phase voltage is EB. The line voltage is EBY. Sorry, EBR. Here ER is ER equals to ERY. This is the voltage here. In this line, this is the voltage. Same voltage we are going to take here. Okay. So next, if you see the phasor diagram, This is the ER, ER, that is equals to ERY. Next one is okay, I will draw here itself. This is the E, okay, and RY. Next one is Y phase. This is the Y phase, that is EY. Phase and line current are same, so E Y capital, YB. Next B phase, this is the B, EB, that is equals to EBR. Now the current is going to lagging, current is going to be lag with this one, that we can write, this is IR, this is the phi, and the current at Y is IY, with an angle phi. Next the current at B, sorry, this is IB, angle phi. Okay, here the resultant the mirror current, or you can say opposite current, that is IB dash, current, this is small r, this is IR dash. Next current is IY dash. Okay, here if we see the resultant for this, I am going to draw parallel line to IY dash, and B, this is the parallel line to IB dash. The resultant current is IY dash and IB. IB and IY dash, we will get the resultant current is B phase. The resultant current is IB. IB. Similar to this, here I am going to draw the parallel line to IB dash and parallel line to IR dash. Now here we will get the current RB dash, means IR. The current here is IR, and next here I am going to draw the parallel line to this. This is the parallel line for IR dash, and next I am going to draw parallel line to Y. The resultant current is IY. So now we got resultant for all this. As I told earlier, the angle between these two is 120. This is 120, and the angle here is 60. Okay, let me write like this. Angle is 120 degree, and the angle here it is 60 degree, and the angle between these two here it is 30 degree. Okay, next we will see the equations. Current, voltage. If you see the current values here, phase and line. Here also we'll see voltage, phase voltage and line voltage. Current, phase current is IR, line current is I capital R. Phase current is IY, here it is I capital Y. IB, I capital B. Phase current is not equals to line current. Okay, next if you see voltage, VR, ER is the phase current and ERY is the line current. EY is the phase current, EYB is the line current, EB is the phase current, EBR is the line current. But in this case, phase voltage is equals to line voltage. I'll make it clear. Here we have R wire, and next to this Y is coming. If you see the voltage here, it is ER. This is the line, this is the Y. Whatever the voltage here we have, the same voltage is going to come here. That we say ERY. ERY. Okay. Now we are going to derive the relation for this phase current and line current. What is the relation for this phase current and line currents? Here if you see the current relation, we have, this is the IY dash and IB, this is IB. I am going to draw the parallel line. Sorry, this is the parallel line to IB, and this is parallel line to IY. Now if you see here, the resultant current is IB. IB. In this, the angle here we have is 30 degrees. I already told in previous slide, you can check it. So now we are going to derive the relation. So now this is a similar parallelogram. Resultant in parallelogram. Or diagonal formula in parallelogram, that is the formula is, here you can see, resultant R equals to square root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. This is the parallelogram which I am discussing. This is the resultant, and this vector is p, this vector is q. Now we are going to apply this to here. If you apply this here, we will have R is IB. IB equals to square root of I y dash square plus IB square plus 2 I y dash IB cos theta. Now what is this I y dash? Is all these are phase values. So I phase square plus I phase square plus 2 I phase into I phase cos theta. Here square root of, what is the theta value? Theta, we have the value 30 degree. Now I phase square plus I phase square plus 2 into I phase square. What is the cos 30 value? 1 by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled. Then it will come like this, square root of I phase square plus I phase square plus I phase square, square root of 3 I phase square. Then root 3 into root square will get cancelled, root 3 into I phase. Now the IB is the line current. IB equals to root 3 into I phase. Now this what we got. This is I phase. Sorry, IL. IL equals to root 3 into I phase. This is formula for currents, and we have E phase equals to EL, means in case of delta connection, phase voltage equals to line voltage and line current equals to root 3 times of phase current. Next, if we see power formula, power in delta connected system. power in delta connected system. Power P equals to 3 into power supplied by each phase. Now 3 into what is power supplied by each phase? Current in phase. Power formula is E phase, I phase, cos phi. 3 into what is the formula we have? IL equals to root 3 I phase. From this, I phase equals to IL by root 3. Here E phase equals to EL into I phase equals to IL by root 3 into cos phi. This is root 3 we can write as 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3 into EL into IL by root 3. Okay, let me write clearly. IL by root 3 into cos phi. Here we have root 3 EL into IL into cos phi. This is power formula. Next, if you see clearly, this is star connection, this is delta connection. In star connection, line current is equals to phase current. In delta connection, line current is equals to root 3 times of phase current, and line voltage EL is equals to root 3 times of phase voltage in star connection. In delta connection, line voltage is equals to phase voltage. Next, power equals to root 3 EL IL cos phi. Here also same, power equals to root 3 EL IL cos phi. Okay, thank you.